Hey guys, it's Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're going to take a look at our onboard air compressor kit. This is a perfect complement to our air spring system. I'm going to go over what's included, tell you a little more about it. So this is a complete kit that is adaptable to our air spring system. It comes, of course, with the compressor itself. It's also going to come with an air inlet and replacement elements. All of your T-fittings required. It's going to include a pressure sensor to make sure that the bags stay at pressure. Comes with an in-cab gauge as well as the activation switch and dump valve. All of the tubing and wiring required as well as mounting hardware. Now the kit is universal. You can mount the compressor under the hood, on the frame like we've done on our Chevrolet, or even in the bed. One thing you're going to want to make sure of is that your inlet is in a dry location. So if you mount it down low, we provide tubing and a fitting so that you can remote mount your inlet in the cab or up and out of the way somewhere. So no longer do you have to carry an air tank or hope that your destination has an air compressor available. Anytime you need air in those airbags, it's ready at the touch of a button. It's going to make for a safer tow. It's going to keep those headlights in the correct location, reduce squat and sway. So if you do any amount of hauling or towing with your truck, airbags are a must. And if you have airbags, the next step is going to be the Rough Country Onboard Air Compressor Kit. Get this and all of your truck accessories, and once you install them, be sure to put it up on our gallery at roughcountry.com.